After its launch in Europe and several Southeast Asian countries, the latest Honda PCX 2025 has finally been introduced in its home country, Japan. The Japanese market version of the Honda PCX 2025 comes with more luxurious and elegant color options. The Honda PCX 2025 for the Japanese market is available in 4 color choices: Matte Starry Blue Metallic, Pearl Jupiter Gray, Pearl Snowflake White, and Pearl Magellan Black. In terms of design and features, the Japanese version of the PCX 2025 is not much different from the models sold in Europe, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. The scooter features an aggressive front fascia with a dual headlamp design and LED DRL lights positioned above. Moving to the dashboard area, the handlebar cover adds a sporty touch. Other updates include a more compact fairing, a more comfortable front footstep, and revisions to the rear lighting design. In Japan, the Honda PCX 2025 is offered with 2 engine options: 125 cubic centimeters and 160 cubic centimeters. As for pricing, the 125 cubic centimeters version is set at 379,500 yen, approximately $2,436, while the 160 cubic centimeters version is priced at 462,000 yen, or around $2,966. The Japanese version of the Honda PCX 2025 comes equipped with several standard features, including a 30-liter storage compartment, a front compartment for a 500 milliliters bottle, a smart key system, and a USB Type-C socket. Interestingly, the Japanese version of the Honda PCX 2025 lacks some of the premium features found in the Indonesian model. Missing features in the Japanese version include rear shock absorbers with reservoirs and a digital instrument panel with the Honda Road Sync feature.